Hello 108 class, Mr. McHugh back here with you on section 9.6. We've been working hard. We're doing page 10. This is our biggest section of the whole semester as far as pages of class notes, so we made it. Okay, so we were working on example 9. That's my boss Kitty trying to make noise, trying to sit here. Is she alright? I guess so. Okay, so we need to graph this. Now, one thing. Just like we used to let x equals 0 to graph for vertical graphs, take advantage of choosing y equals 0. And that's because you're going to find where it crosses the x-axis, okay? And so let y equals 0, substitute that back into the equation. And it was given to you, and again, 0, 0, left with -3, so that's very easy to do. X equals -3. What did I find? The ordered pair was x is -3, y was 0. So watch that, okay? Everything's all switched. So we've got a couple points here we can graph. Vertex from the previous page was -1, 1. So find that. Here's -1, here's 1. Put your vertex. You knew it was a -a, so the graph opened to the left. It looks like that. This is not my graph looks like a V. It shouldn't, by the way, not very curved. But then we found -3, 0, and then on the previous page it was -3, 2. Again, we picked values for y right here. We found the corresponding y equals 0. We found -3 over there on top, stacked on top of each other. Okay, so you can see the pairing going on here. Here's your vertex. Oh, I did that wrong. I'm sorry. Jeez, excuse me. Okay. Oh God, don't look at that. These two are the pairings, and that's because look at the -3s. The outputs are on the x's. Okay, the outputs are on the x's. Line of symmetry is horizontal. Where does it go? Here's the vertex. Where does it cut through? Y equals 1, right through it. There you go. Okay, so my math lab, same idea, except this time you'll pick the parabola tool that. I don't think I'll make a video. You'll be able to figure out. You want one to go sideways, pick the vertex, put your second point, pick it, and then it'll graph it for you. Okay, so what I like about this stage now of your algebra learning is, you know, we're getting a lot of formulas and vertical parabolas, horizontal parabolas, and if you look on page, oops, get my marker going here. Page 548, you see this summary table, and I've summarized it here. This is why I want you to do your hand notes in your classes. This should be something you write down, you engage in the learning process. I want you to think about this. I want you to understand vertical axis. We've done lots of problems. Why is it y equals ax squared plus bx plus c? Why does it drive it? Know why when the a coefficient is greater than 0, it opens up. When it's a negative, when a is less than 0, you know, write negative on here. You know, use the English words to go with the meanings. Positive, it opens down. Okay, the vertex is h comma k. Okay, and line of symmetry. Line of symmetry for these type of problems is, remember this, x, it's going to be a vertical and it goes through the x coordinate of the vertex. Okay, now what would the vertex be if you did not have it in graphing formula? Remember that? -b divided by 2a. What is that? Line of symmetry. Okay, see the connections. If we say f of -b divided by 2a, what are we telling you to do? Take the value that you get for x, put it back in there and get that y output, and that is the vertex. That's the y coordinate and the x coordinate. Okay, so you learn all that, get comfortable with that. Okay, then practice what happens when it's horizontal. The variables get switched. X is now your what? Output. Y is your what? Input. Here's the graphing form. It's still the A. That's an A, by the way. I use A. I try to make a little A there, but it's the letter A. Y minus K, comma squared. Okay, what's the vertex? It is still H comma K. Okay, but look at the details. Where's the horizontal at? On the outside. Where's the vertical movement? On the inside. Okay. What if you had it in standard form? Can you come down and figure out the vertex? Everything's backwards, right? So y is the negative b divided by 2a. And in the f of whatever you find for that result, plug it back into the equation, get the output, input. Okay, you're getting the idea. Again, with the a is greater than 0, this is what? This is when it's a positive. It opens to the what? Right. Okay, take your time doing these. Drill these in the head and you'll remember them. And good notes will help you tremendously in 143 when you get there, because you're going to see this again. Okay, Mr. McHugh, guess what? We are going to say adios, sayonara, goodbye to section 9.6. You guys have been working extremely hard. I don't know, I'm going up here for some reason. Kudos to your efforts hanging there with me. Give yourself a big check marks there. We've done it. We got to go on to chapter 9.7. So when I see you again, we'll be doing 9.7, page 1. Okay, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.